Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
And this is Kiran Kumar from E-Times.
Yes, Kiran. Hi.
Hi. We loved your performance and dance moves in Ishmat Shankar.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice to hear.
Thank you. And let's get started.
Yeah.
Yeah, how you became involved in this project, ma'am? I mean, what drew you to Mastro?
Uh, to to Maestro, it came to me. I think during towards the end of the first lockdown, and they were conceiving this project. I mean, like putting the project together, and they wanted me to play the role of Radhika Apte, and I was like super excited because Andhadhun is something which made like the kind of noise which is not made, which any movie did not make at that point of time. So I was like super excited to be on board for this film soon as it came to me.
So you have spoken in other interviews about your role. You said your role is different from the original. So could you tell us a little bit about that?
Different from the original, as in like people kept asking how have I chosen to perform or how is my portrayal in this film. So I I just felt that since I did not end up watching the movie again. I just watched it when it was released, when it released initially, like about 2 or 3 years ago. So I decided not to watch it again because I felt that I might end up in a conflict as to how to put the whole scene together when it compared to original. So I decided to go with the director's way of looking at my character and do everything in my own way. So when I said it is different, I mean that I've played the character as to how I look the character, how I see the the portrayal of the character.
So can we compare your performance with Radhika Apte in Andhadhun?
See, when it is a remake, every single thing will be compared
Yes.
because the the original itself was so well made, and it reached to the different level of appreciation from the audience. And we can say Andhadhun is like one of the first few movies which changed the face of Indian cinema, that this kind of content can be reached to this level of audience, and people also will come and watch it if you do certain kind of this sort of content. And it garnered a lot of national awards and everything like that. So obviously, automatically, organically, the comparison will be there. You can't shy away from it. But what we've tried to do is adapt the whole soul to Telugu audience, to bring this, to say the story to Telugu audience in a Telugu way. So without disturbing the soul and the whole idea of the cinema, we've come up with a project which is suitable for Telugu audience.
So did you watch Andhadhun?
Yeah, yeah. I watched when it was released.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So is Mastro a frame by frame recreation?
I can't tell you that. I only know the sequences I've shot because I've not seen the film. And even if I see the film, I don't think I remember because I've not seen Andhadhun all over again.
Okay.
But whatever we've shot, mine and Nitin's combination, everything is fully fresh. It's not a scene to scene depiction or scene to scene adaptation. Even if you see the songs which is released, we've released, they're so fresh. They look like it's not. It has no shade of original, from the original movie at all. Even the music and everything, it's been made as like a new movie itself. Even when we were shooting, since couple of days, since three or 4 days, when I'm promoting, everybody has been asking like if it is a remake, like how is it. That's when I have it in my head that, oh, we've done a remake. That's what I'm thinking. But when we were shooting, it was completely like a new fresh movie, you
Okay.
know. Yeah.
So no problem, ma'am. Actually, after watching your films, I can say you nailed your character.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So Master's music album is a big hit.
Yeah, it is.
So which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Vanilla Adapilla.
Well, could you please
Yeah.
sing a few lines for us?
Was I don't think I remember the lyrics.
Just a few
Mm,
lines.
వెన్నెల్లో ఆడపిల్లే తన ఈ చీకటై మొదలనా. Yeah, that's all I remember.
That's so cute.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And you have teamed up with Nitin for the first time in Maestro. How is it
Yeah.
working with him?
Oh, it was lovely. If you've seen Nitin's movies before, he's in a different zone. He's like jumpy, peppy, and like super energetic. And he's known for his dances and comedy timing and everything like that. But this was like a completely different zone. And I think he was fully focused when he was playing this role, because firstly, it's a blind character, and we had to get it right and all that. But even then even though we were shooting in the midst of pandemic with so many people and everything like that, he's like so cool. He's super cool, super chill about everything. Anything which happens, he's like that. He's like Nirvana. So it was like so nice and fun to work with.
Oh, that's good. How is it working with Tamanna Bhatia?
Actually, we had only a couple of scenes, which is, yeah, we don't have like a scene also. It's probably like a crossover sequences, like maybe 1 or 2 minute interaction. Met her only for 2 or 3 days on the set, and we did a promotional song. But somehow I felt like I knew her from a long time, maybe because I've been watching her movies, or keep following her Insta, stuff like that. We just like started talking as if we knew from like a long time. And she's so warm. She's very warm as a person.
I think you both have a song in the film, right?
Yeah, we did a promotional song.
Promotional song. Also,
yeah.
So it will not appear in the film.
I'm not sure. I don't think it might. It will. I don't think it will.
Oh, okay, fine. So how about it, director Merlapaka Gandhi?
Gandhi sir is one of the coolest director I've worked with, literally and figuratively. Like, he's super chill, and he's super quick, and he knows to the point. Imagine we have like about 5 lines, and it's in a certain kind of emotion, certain kind of zone. Like, and I imagine I'm performing in certain way. He knows for the fact that there will be probably a word where I have to change my emotion. He will come and say that particular thing. That's something which is so precise. It was so easy working with him. It just made everything easy.
What is your opinion about special songs? Do you like them, and are you ready to accept them?
Special songs in what way?
I mean, item songs like Tamanna Bhatia did so many songs, right?
None of it has come to me yet. I think it'll only depend on what kind of a mind space I am in at that point of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, fine. What's your next film?
I have a couple of announcements coming soon. I'm just waiting for the official announcement to happen. Something very, very exciting is coming soon.
In Tollywood?
Yeah, in Tollywood and in other languages too.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
That's great. That sounds good. And
yeah.
Thank you. It was really nice talking to you.
It was wonderful talking to you too.
And hope Maestro will be a big hit, and hope you will get more and more of us in Tollywood.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do watch the movie.
Definitely. First day itself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.